Well, I mean, I think it's outstanding for the city. That's why I approached Coach Shorty about it, and you know, I think it injects some energy that the city needs, and it was it was really big last year.
Hey man, one goal. Let's go to work. Win on two. 1, 2. Win.
Definitely still buzz. Definitely means a lot, for the community and the kids. A lot of these kids know each other, so I'm sure they're doing a little bit of talking themselves. I think he wants to win. I obviously want to win. There's no escaping that.
Badin's a very disciplined team, and they're tough, physical, and well coached, and so are we. So we're just looking to have a good game and a good crosstown rivalry here, and see hopefully the outcomes on our side this time.
This might be the first time some of those guys have been out there with the lights on. We got to kind of control our emotions a little bit at the start. I think last year when we were warming up, you saw it, you kind of feel the energy and stuff like that. But once the game starts, we got to be able to block that type of stuff out and go out there and play a good football game.
I think we're just a little bit more experienced with big-time games, and I think we got some mature guys that are, they're going after it just like a regular game, and we got in that groove at the end of the season last year and middle of the season, and I think they're just looking forward to a good game, and we got a ton of respect for Badin, and I think they do the same for us, and we're just hoping to have a good game and come out with a W.
It's a good high school football game with two schools that are right next to each other, and I mean, we're not the only game in the state of Ohio that has, a close proximity like that, but, it's good for us, good for both schools, good for the community, so it's going to be a pretty wild atmosphere, I think so.